Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Loosen the captive screws holding the base cover in place. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the palm rest assembly, starting at the top edge and working your way around to release it from all sides. Now lift the base cover from the palm rest assembly. If your computer is unable to enter service mode, disconnect the battery cable from the system board. To remove the wireless module, identify the wireless module. Remove the screw securing it. Slide and remove the LAN card bracket. Unlatch and disconnect the antenna cables. Lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the wireless module, slide the wireless card into the card slot. Connect the antenna cables to the wireless card. Following table provides the antenna cable color scheme. Place the wireless card bracket. If the battery cable was disconnected earlier, make sure to reconnect it to the system board. Next, align the base cover with the palm rest assembly and gently place it into position. Tighten all required screws to secure the base cover in place. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.